This is the quiet storm. Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, this is Brandon. Today I have a new video. It's following up the last video where I was asked how much money do I need to get started trading and what is a good amount. My answer in the last video was that a good amount is very relative. Do you want to make 500? Do you want to make 1,000? Do you want to make $10,000? Do you want to make $100,000? As you can see very quickly, that is relative. But I'm going to try to plant a seed in your mind to show you how the market actually move, and I'm actually show you a trade I took today, and what's reality. Okay, so the top chart right here is a regular chart. Today we're going to focus on a wrinkle chart. The wrinkle chart is right here, and as you can see, I pre-mapped out these areas. In these areas, you're going to see that for this move right here to happen, it took 47 minutes. Now remember these numbers: 12 bricks, which it says bars right here, 12 bricks in 47 minutes, 7 bricks in 24 minutes, 11 bricks in 31 minutes, 6 bricks in 31 minutes, 12 bricks in 30 minutes. So the key numbers are here: 30 minutes, less than 30 on average. Okay, anywhere between 6 to 12 bars. Okay, so I'm going to pull over to the document I just created, and I'm going to show you insight what this actually means. Now each brick represents 50 points, the market move. So how this will work is, in trading you have a lot size, and that lot size could be any number. 0.01. 0.01 times 50 points is 50 cents. As you can see, only one brick represents 50 cents. Okay, now remember those numbers: 8, 6, 12, less than 30 minutes. 12, with a penny lot size, you can make about $6. Okay, I highlighted these areas right here as orange is the common numbers you're going to run across. Green area is a good trade. If you hit anywhere between 15 and 19, you had a good trade. Now this pinkish area, it does happen. It doesn't happen as often, but this is exceptionally good trade. Each trade you're going to be risking anywhere between 3 to 4 bricks. So on this trade, if you would have took any of these, you'd be risking anywhere from $1.50 to $2. On average, you would be making $3 to maybe about $6. Okay, so the next question is, to give you some perspective, is how much do you get paid an hour? And we're just going to throw out a number, and it's on any job, and let's say your pay per hour is $17 per hour. As you can see, with a very small size of risking about $2 pretty much, you can almost half this. And remember, that was in about less than 30 minutes. Okay, so in less about 30 minutes, you can make how much you can make on a job per hour ish. Okay, now let's up the ante. Let me show you what the market can really do. We're going to start getting to bigger numbers. Now I'm gonna put that in perspective. You should be trading no more than 5 times a day, maybe 2 to 3 times a day. If you're willing to risk $30 per trade, almost about 40, or up to 50 per trade, so 150 per day, on average you can see yourself making about $75 to about $150. Okay, if you get a good swing, you're gonna up into 200s in 1 hour. Remember, all those trades were less than 1 hour, and there were multiple trades. You have a great trade, 375. Cool. We're still, in my opinion, at baby numbers. We're going to go 50. So for every tick, you're going to make or lose 50 cents. As you can see, again, our average number is 6. So if you want to make $150 per hour on average, as we saw, 6 was at the bottom of the number. If you want to make around the bare minimum of $150 on a great day, this is the lot size you probably want if you want to make that in an hour. But you gotta be willing to risk this. Now, if the trade goes really, really good while you're in trading, you could get upwards to $700. That's really extreme. Let's say about $500 in less than about 30 minutes. All right, now let's play with the realistic numbers where I think you can change the game or change your life. If you're willing to risk about $150 to $200 a trade, remember trading no more than 2 to 3 times a day. On average, in an hour, you should expect to make about $300. On a good trade, $600. On a really good trade, almost $1,000 in less than 30 minutes. On their exceptional trades, we're up to 1.5 in less than 30 minutes. All right, now let me show you out the fancy, scary numbers. And this is just to plant a seed in your brain. Let's say you really get your trading career off the ground and things go really, really well. If you're willing to risk between $750 to $1,000 per trade, you can expect to make about 1.5 in 30 minutes. Wow. On a good trade, $3,000. On a really good trade, about $5,000. On an exceptional trade, almost about $10,000 in less than 30 minutes. All right, so that pretty much wraps up this video. I just wanted to drop some nuggets, water your brain, water some thoughts in your brain. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And that wraps up this video. I hope everyone has an amazing day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.